Good morning children, you are welcome to English class. Today let us learn lesson 2, a visit to the farm. See the conversation between Valli and Chittu the goat. The Valli is telling, I will ride a horse. Chittu the goat is telling, all the best Valli. They are going for a visit to the farm. Okay, let us recall. Name the pictures. See the first one, bird. Second one, cat. Third one, dog. Fourth one, squirrel. Fifth one, cow. Okay, see the next one, write the correct word. 3 words are given. T-H-E-Y, they. H-E, he. S-H-E, she. For boy, you write he. For girl, you write she. And for many, you write T-H-E-Y, they. Okay, see the first picture. Whom do you see, boy or girl? Boy, isn't it? So write the word he. He is eating an apple. See the second one? She is writing. Okay, you have to write the word she. S-H-E, she. See the third one? They are playing, isn't it? You have to write the word T-H-E-Y, they. Okay? Look and say. Here you learn homes of animals. See the first one? Bird, nest. Bee, hive. Pig, sty. Rat, hole. Dog, kennel. Sheep, pen. Spider, web. Horse, stable. Cow, shed. Duck, pond. I teach you the poem Wonderful Sea. Repeat after me. By the deep blue sea, what do you see? Diving dolphins above the waves, crawling crabs near the rocks, many, many rocks like tiny caves. What do you see in the deep blue sea? Starfish swimming over the reefs, whistling whales in the water, seahorses moving straight and tall. What else do we see in the blue sea? Moving turtles on the sandy beach, many, many waves rolling to the shore. We see all this and more in the blue sea. Here we learn different fishes and sea animals live in wonderful sea. Look at the pictures: dolphin, starfish, crab, seahorse, jellyfish and tortoise live in the sea. Okay? Repeatedly listen to this rhyme so that you can learn the poem well. Okay? Now let us learn lesson about Donna's song. I read it for you. Listen carefully and follow with me. Donna's song. Donna, the donkey, lives in a village. He likes the way his friends bray, but he cannot do it the right way. There is a singing contest in the car festival. What will I do? Thinks Donna. Let me ask my friends. Donna goes out to see. How do you grunt, Piggy? Donna asks Piggy the pig. Simple. Roll right, roll left, then lift your nose. Grrr. Donna cannot do that. Now, Donna the donkey goes to the sheep. How do you bleed, Shanu? Donna asks Shanu the sheep. I flick my tail, jump up and down and then shout, ba, ba. Donna cannot do that. How do you neigh, Harry? Donna asks Harry the horse. I shake my tail and keep my ears straight and say, neigh. Neigh. No, Donna cannot do that. How do you snort, Buffy? Donna asked Buffy the buffalo. I sway my head from side to side, open my mouth wide, and shout, Ma! Oh no, Donna cannot do that. What will I do next week? Donna is worried. Donna comes home and listens to his mom bray. He honk, he honk. He stands in front of the mirror. He shakes his ears from left to right. He opens his mouth and lets out a cry. He honk, he honk, hey. I can sing. Donna's song is the best in the car festival. Sing a song. Here in this lesson, you learn different sounds of animals. Pig grunt, sheep bleat, horse neigh, buffalo snort. Okay? Donkey brace. Never try to imitate others. See, Donna tried the sounds of other animals, but it was not able to do that. But when it tried to bray by itself, it has won in the competition. So, always bring out the best from you. Now, let us learn the exercise given in the book. Look at the picture. Match the animals with their sounds. See the picture? Goat, bleat. Pig, grunt. Horse, neigh. Donkey, bray. Okay? B-L-E-A-T, bleat. Pig, G-R-U-N-T, grunt. Horse, neigh, N-E-I-G-H. Donkey, bray, B-R-A-Y, bray. See the next one, fill in the blanks. Words are given, you have to pick and write. Mirror, village, grunt, head. Donna lives in a dash. Donna lives in a village. You have to write V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. The second one, how do you dash? How do you grunt? G-R-U-N-T, grunt. Third one, Donna shakes his head in front of the dash. Donna shakes his head in front of the mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. Fourth one, I sway my dash from side to side. I sway my head from side to side. H-E-A-D, head. Next one, listen, think and say. Why did Donna want to learn a song? Donna wanted to learn a song for the singing contest. Okay? Whom did Donna ask for help? Donna asked his friends for help. See the third question. How did the buffalo snort? The buffalo snorted. Grrr, isn't it? Okay. Fourth one. Was Donna able to sing at the car festival? Yes. Donna was able to sing at the car festival. Fifth one. Have you heard a donkey bray? Can you do that? Have you heard a donkey bray? Yes, I have heard the donkey bray. How does it cry? Hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. Now, let us learn the question answers from this lesson. Where did Donna live? Donna lives in a village. D-O-N-A, Donna. L-I-V-E-S, lives. in a village, village. Okay. See the second question. Why did Donna want to learn a song? Answer. Donna wanted to learn a song for the singing contest. I repeat, Donna wanted to learn a song for the singing contest. D-O-N-A, Donna. W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. T-O-2, L-E-A-R-N, learn. A S-O-N-G, song. F-O-R, for. T-H-E, the. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. C-O-N-T-E-S-T, contest. Okay. Donna wanted to learn a song for the singing contest. See the third question. Whom did Donna ask for help? Donna asked his friends for help. D-O-N-A, Donna. A-S-K-E-D, asked. H-I-S, his. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. F-O-R, for. H-E-L-P, help. Okay. Donna asked his friends for help. See the next question. Fourth question. Was Donna able to sing at the car festival? Yes. Donna was able to sing at the car festival. You have to write Y-E-S-S, D-O-N-A, Donna. W-A-S, was. A-B-L-E, able. T-O-2, S-I-N-G, sing. A-T, at. T-H-E, the. C-A-R, car. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival. Yes, Donna was able to sing at the car festival. Dear children, learn and write the question answers.